What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today I am going to show you my old Harbor Freight trailer. I got about 6.5 years use out of it. And yes, that is a Harbor Freight trailer sitting on top of another trailer. Look at oh my god. And so, long story short, what ended up happening was I started using my trailer for the John boat. And so where we take our John boat, it's actually brackish water. The brackish water contains salt, which salt starts corroding steel. This is what ended up happening. The Harbor Freight trailer ended up just falling apart. Now, I did get my money's worth out of it. Thank you, Harbor Freight. It did do that. I did do a lot of odd jobs, and then I also did a lot of delivery services. And so underneath the Harbor Freight trailer, what you're looking at is actually the new Harbor Freight trailer. It's not a Harbor Freight trailer that they sell. What I ended up doing was I ended up making a new trailer with almost the exact same measurements as the Harbor Freight trailer, which was a 4x8. And what happened is first the axle went out on the trailer. Since the axle went out, I actually first went and bought a new axle for the Harbor Freight trailer. And as I started taking everything apart from the Harbor Freight trailer, everything literally just started falling apart. And so I ended up having to purchase everything brand new. Everything completely. Axle, hubs, springs. The springs I bought from Northern Tool, and they seem to fit in there really nice. I also ended up having to install hangers. I was trying to actually go through this big bar of aluminum, but that wasn't going to work, so I ended up having to shave some of it down and use these hangers. I'm not 100% done with the trailer, but it does roll down the road nice and easy. I actually welded this myself. Look at them pretty welds. And it's kind of funny because the guys at the shop that I was working with, they were saying how this trailer wasn't going to work. Well, it works. And I think I did a pretty good job. I still haven't even put the safety chains on here yet, but I put a brand new coupler. And so now it's kind of time to build the walls up and get this Harbor Freight trailer out of here. Well, what's left of it. I was going to try and save the fenders, but the fenders are really bad too, so everything's just going to get tossed. And now to finish making this official, I actually went ahead and took off the VIN numbers off of the old Harbor Freight trailer. I'm going to be installing them right here. I know I kind of got painted over, but if you look at it sideways, you can still see the VIN numbers, so that should be fine. I've never had somebody actually check my VIN numbers being pulled over, so we should be fine. Stick it somewhere around here even maybe. So I don't know, I'm really excited about this trailer. I had a lot of fun making it. I don't know if I can get you guys some images of underneath it. There we go. So it's, like I said, all aluminum. It's all been actually TIG welded. And it's actually already held up over 1,500 pounds, which I shouldn't have done, but I did it. And it held up. So this time I'm thinking about getting some plastic fenders. I saw they had at Northern Tool. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I really didn't want to get the steel fenders just because they do rust. I don't know if they sell any kind of fiberglass fenders. I was even thinking about making my own fenders out of diamond plate, but like I said, I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think. On my old trailer, I did have a winch, which I have no idea how I'm gonna put a winch on the new trailer yet, as I don't have an aluminum welder with me at the moment. But like I said, I'm extremely happy with it. Holy cow. If you guys have any questions, any comments, anything at all, post it down below. Let me know. And as always, guys, take it easy.